Hi Oscar, in this session we want to learn how to move, rotate, scale and delete the objects. Every object in Lumion has circular pivot. You must use pivot to move, rotate, scale and delete the object. The pivot on object is only active when you select the object's category or you select all categories. For example, let's move this car. First, select the transport category and then use the pivot of the car to move it. As you can see, these four tools move in any direction, vertically and horizontally. They can also be moved to a location by entering a number. This option is used to rotate objects manually or by entering a number. To enter a number, just click on this handle twice so that it turns red. After erasing the previous number, just enter the desired number. Scaling works the same as the previous tools. To delete the object, just click on the pivot or the delete option when it turns red.